Hello and welcome to day 16 of Vlogmas. I'm gonna have to get ready to get into work pretty soon, but I thought before I go, I'll do my advent calendars. It's nice to start the day with something a bit cheerful. So we've got my Kylie in the Machine advent calendar first of all. We have a lady holding her coffee or tea. Seems appropriate for me to be heading into work soon. Ooh, we've got a patch, it's a big one. Making is magic. It definitely is. We've got like a little crystal ball here, that's cute. Patch ideas, let me know, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, apart from sticking them on a bag, but it seems like kind of a waste, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with the patches that I've gotten, because they are a lot of fun. So yarn now. Let me find 16th. Right up at the top. This is great. I think even like my younger 10-year-old self would have felt this was the greatest possible yarn you can get. With the pink, and there's a very pale blue, bright purple. This is very much bringing me back to the early 90s. Love this combo. Oh, that's gonna be really pretty. All right, it is time for a nice cinnamon roll for breakfast. They are just the gift that keeps on giving because I have so many of them. So my husband and I will be slowly working through those, but that's definitely the breakfast I need with a nice hot cup of tea to get myself out the door and into work. I will check in with you later. There is a garden center slash florist right near my work that I know they sell fresh wreaths and Christmas trees, and I'm quietly hoping they might have a little poinsettia or something to bring home. Well, I was not disappointed. I've got my little friend here, seat belted in, ready to go home. Hope he survives the journey. It's like it was meant to be. Perfect. I have to show you the whole mantle because it's all looking pretty good now. So my husband and I are off on a little wander around town. I just felt like it would be good to get out and get some fresh air, stretch our legs. It's pretty mild at the moment. It's only been in like the 50s in the evening, so it seems like a good opportunity to get out when it's not too cold. have to say, we have been absolutely blown away by a lot of these Christmas lights. My husband and I, our best theory is that last year London was in lockdown over Christmas, which was really miserable, really depressing, and I definitely know a lot of people in London who have said, like, this year I am going for it, and I think people are going for it, and it is so fun. We've never seen the lights this good around locally, and it is just bringing joy to our hearts. I wanted to give you an update on my dress because I have been working on it a little bit here and there today. I re-stitched this button because I realized it was stitched on a bit crooked and it was going to drive me a little bit crazy. So I undid that one and stitched it back in place. I was going to do all the buttons, and then I realized it would be a lot easier to do once I'd gathered the bodice to the skirt, because otherwise I might end up sewing over the button with the bottom button, and I just felt like that's just taking an unnecessary risk. I have pinned together, so I've gathered up the top tier of the skirt and attached it to the bodice. Just to say, if you remember, my pockets, I extended the pockets up into the waistband. So what I wanted to do was to make sure that the pocket itself didn't get gathered. So I gathered the skirt tier section and first attached that to the top of the bodice. And then I folded the pocket piece over the top of it and have just pinned all three of those layers together. So I'm hoping that it comes out in one piece like it's supposed to and nothing gets missed, but I should be good there. And then I've started to put the bottom tier onto the middle tier, or the first tier I guess it is, the middle of the skirt. I've just gathered about a quarter of it so far, so I'm hoping I might be able to just carry on getting that all gathered up and pinned for now. And then tomorrow I can sew all of those sections together if I get a little bit of time. I'm hoping within the next couple of days I should be able to get this done, because all I need to do is stitch together these two tiers, hem it, put those buttons in place, and that is it. So depending on how much time I get with a work day tomorrow, it might not be tomorrow, but hopefully Saturday I should be able to get this one finished up, and then I can get onto my Christmas stocking. So I'm going to be sitting here working on this before I get to bed, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.